You take up, take up, take up. Cause every day you just
Same way the interview starts is the same way I was introduced to this great talent right here, Layla Iké. Layla, go on.
Blessings and light.
You good?
Yeah man, I'm great. Just take a bathe at the river. Wash me hair, everything nice. Man.
You chose this riverside right here for the interview. Tell us why.
Me normally do my spa days at the river still. You know, me take a bath and just wash my hair, bring a book or my guitar and just relax. But this is my sacred space.
And talk to me a little bit more about who you are. I mean, your type of music. How do you describe your music?
I would describe my music as soulful. I think I sound different, you know, than most people. I think because I was influenced mostly by reggae, Garnet Silk in particular, because I just love how he sounds. And he was just a unique artist to me. Just how him bringing music across was just very, very interesting to me.
Do you have a favorite Garnet?
Bless me, bless me, bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me. I love that, and hello, Mama Africa. Those are my two favorites.
The song that you started the interview with, what's the name of that one?
That's called Biggest Fan.
When you listen to the words of the song, that's clearly a song for your mom.
Yeah, I definitely wrote and did that song specifically for her to hear because it was basically her first time being introduced to me as an artist. So I wrote it to her and for her so she can see, say, I'm really good at what I want to do. And you can feel safe, you know, say I'm doing it and doing it well. It was released, I think, when I was on tour with Protege in England.
And what was her reaction?
I remember one day she called me when she heard it on the radio and she called me while the song I play. Dear excitement, what? You know? So, you know, it worked out exactly how I wanted it to.
And you also mentioned Protege. Tell us about what's your relationship with Protege?
I actually recorded a song before I did Biggest Fan and he heard it. And I remember him reach out to me on Twitter like, I heard something for you today and I really think we should link up and vibe some music. I was pretty excited. I'm like, oh my God, Protege reached out to me. We met up at his home studio and I remember when I was there freestyling, I didn't know he was recording. And after he was like, I hope you don't mind, but I made a recording of, you know, what we did here. And I'm like, really? We did there, listen it back and I remember there was just complete silence in the room. And I remember him say, yo, you know, say you inspire me though. And that day they me not lie, that day they really up my drive to really do music as if I can see somebody that I look up to as a really great person in a reggae music, in a Jamaican history. And for that person to say to me that I inspired them then, you know, and give me the recording to go home and listen to and finish it up. Recorded Biggest Fan, then Gotti Gotti came about and the other single, and now just I work on more music.